Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix the phone number is already linked on ChatGPT. Now, this is a very common issue that a lot of ChatGPT and OpenAI users have, and it usually happens because you have either too many phone numbers linked to one ChatGPT account, or simply someone used your phone number to create an account on ChatGPT. Now, as you can see right here, there are some informations you need to know before I actually go into the fixing section of this video. But using a phone number for OpenAI accounts is like a punch card. It's good for creating only 3 accounts, so you can only create 3 accounts on one number, and after that it can't be used again even if you deleted either account. So what does that mean? That means even if you created 3 accounts on one mobile phone and you deleted all 3 accounts, you won't be able to create another account on the same number. So once that happens, you will need to use different phone. There is no other way to basically go and fix this. However, if you deleted accounts, you can still go and revive the accounts by going into OpenAI support. Now, that's usually what will fix the problem. Now, obviously, again, messaging the help center, there is no option or query about this. However, this is the only way how you will be able to basically go here and fix this issue. As you can see, I'm currently on the forum from OpenAI, and as you can see right here, the only password reset mechanism is by attempting to log in and then at the password screen to say forgot password. But no one is actually giving here a real real answer to how to fix this problem. So the only way you can do this is to basically go and contact ChatGPT support or OpenAI support. Hopefully you find this video useful, and we'll see you in the next video.